Hello guys, right now I'm here in this Lady Hydari Parks. So I'm going to enter in this park, so I will show you all around this park. Just watch this video until the end. So let's go. From main road is from here, and then you just come 1 minute, it's coming here. So here you have to pay the ticket over there. Dan nang tapat si pila bandrung nang naik ke kereta. Oh, kadon store juga. Scenario. I will go from here first. Ngan late nang Neshwa. Oh. So hangne tharai gadon ta canteen hoy tangwan bam se canteen for eating. Wow, tharai sini spot. So yeah, we will go from this way. Oh, here it's really nice. It's lotus over here, I think. Let's go from this way and see. Here. Oh, small fish. See. And they are feeding them with something. Ajing bam nih kibyo. Wow. Kene kita ke Lady Hydari Parks. Fish is there inside. Oh, it's gonna be rain. It's going to be rain. Rain is going. Rain is coming. Not going. Slap lawan. Hang ne pad don ki ducks. Don ki han hang ne ducks. Whoa. It's a ducks. Oh, here is a playground. Wow. I came from that way, ngawan nang tay. Nang dapat ngan yai sene. Kibriu sangkas tu how. Daya ya lambat kenarit sene sangkai ke bang palat pengat palat cakah. Come on guys, come on. We are going. Hello man. Oh, sini kalong kumne. Here it's like this. Oh, nothing is there. So, oh, there is big fish. I think you cannot see it. Big trees. Hello mama, कैसे हो? Oh, Yay bạn nemo. Po ang nang ka. It's a big fish over here. So come on guys, they are going to kiss each other. Kiss. I'll make video. Wow, it's walking. Just walk and relax here, guys. It's silent and peace. Have a nice day. It's written. And what about here? What is there? A gate is closed for the visitor. Closing the gate. So here it's the end over here. Let's jump over there. Let's jump over here. Wow, this tree looks nice. I'll just make videos, guys. Wow, here you can sit and relax. I love chess. Means to play chess over here. Come on, just play chess. It's like this only, guys. It's written over there also. Here people are sitting. Here it's thing for a child. They used to play. Wow. Because range is coming. Because of range, so the place doesn't look shiny. Lake Pino. I'm going back, guys. So this is Lady Hydari Park, Shillong. I just want to show you once more. You just have to go fast here, but there is canteen, and then you just go this side, and then that side there is so many things over there. It's like a big garden. You'll enjoy a lot of things over there. And then coming back by this way. If you go by this way also, it's fine, but just go this way. So guys, the videos is only like that. I hope you enjoy it. So if you like this video, and then if you want more video from my channel, so please do subscribe, like, share, and comment this video. And then ada video ternah di video nak kena channel jangan pin kuat pengan yai channel Shillong ban peni video susuk bakam internet ki cakah subscribe, like, nata ngadon kami jeng kesan jumpi. Tang kata sekendo par ke next video.